Good evening,
Everyone
sir.
here?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, no, sir. Tarun has to come, sir.
Okay, we'll wait for
Yes,
one more
sir.
minute, 1 or 2
Yes,
more
sir.
minutes.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, perfectly audible.
Yes. Sir.
How are you,
Good
Shankar?
evening, sir. Fine, sir.
Good evening. Nitish? Good to hear you, Nitish.
Nitish, you're muted.
Yes.
How are you?
What, sir? Yes, I'm fine, sir.
Good. Solving questions?
What, sir?
Solving questions?
No, sir.
No, sir. This is not good. Kongwei? What about you?
Sir,
You are solving questions or not?
I've been doing some, sir.
Your voice is too low to be
Not
audible.
new types, but
Yeah,
the same ones.
that's fine. That's fine. What were we doing the last class?
Sir, we were
Sir,
doing the velocity time graph, sir.
No, sir. We were doing acceleration
Graphs we
time.
had completed,
Sorry,
I
sorry.
guess.
Acceleration time graph. Acceleration time.
Yeah, graphs we had completed, I guess.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tarun has come.
Yes, sir.
Tarun is solving questions.
Yes.
Solving questions.
Yes, sir.
He asked Tarun.
Tarun,
Oh.
can you hear me?
You just said you weren't solving questions, Nitish.
Sir, some construction issue is going on. I cannot hear you much.
Hello, am I audible to you, Tarun?
Yes, sir. I know.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm seeing Tarun's face after a long time.
Yes.
Graphical representation we are done now.
What, sir?
Yes, sir. We have done the
Presentation we have
presentation
done.
on graphs.
Yes, sir. We did. We did a question also, sir. Except me.
Told
everyone
about
got the
time, velocity, acceleration.
answer. Yes, sir. Except me. Everyone got the answer.
Yeah. So we have to do equations of motion today.
Dude,
Yes, sir.
except you, everyone got the answers there.
That's what I
Let's
said.
start with it.
Okay, I thought you told it the other way around.
No. I'd be happy to, but I can't.
Equation of motion. See, basically there are 3 equations of motion that we'll be dealing with. Okay, we have to derive them. That may be asked in your exams with the derivations. Okay, and apart from that, we'll be solving some questions related to this. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you know about these equations of motions?
No,
sir.
No, sir.
no, sir.
Okay, let us deal with it. The first equation of motion is your v is equals to u plus at. First of all, let me write the 3 equations of motion. First one is v is equals to u plus at.
Hey, we did this.
We did
We
this,
we
sir.
know this, sir.
We
We
did
know
this.
this, sir. We did this in school.
S is equals to ut plus half at square. And
Yeah,
the third
we-
one is
Yes, sir.
v
we
square
did
is equals
this,
to
sir.
u square plus 2as.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so where v is
A lot
final
of
velocity,
questions you gave actually had these steps.
u is equals to initial velocity,
A is equal to acceleration, S is equal to
s is equals to displacement,
Displacement and okay, U
That's
is
it.
equal. Okay, yeah.
e is
A is equal
acceleration,
to acceleration.
So
T is equal to
v
time.
is time. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
these are the three equations of motion through which we solve questions. I'll show you how to solve questions, and today we'll be just deriving these three equations of motions, right? Okay,
Yes.
so write this down. We'll be moving on to the next page.
I already wrote it.
So 1 second, sir, I'm at the last.
We
This
already
part only I did not understand in school, sir. So you could teach me.
So this was so easy, sir.
Hey, you learned it
Stop
in
it.
our group. Shut up. Learn nothing in chemistry. Yes, sir. You can continue, sir.
No, it's not like that.
Okay,
They
see
taught
you.
chemistry also, but I didn't listen chemistry.
You're just bad at it.
Like they taught chemistry also, but I just kept my head
You
for
didn't
the same.
listen.
Let us draw a line.
Yeah.
This is a velocity time graph. Okay, velocity time
Yes,
graph,
sir.
and this is the initial velocity with which the object has been started. Initial velocity is that velocity when the observer has started the observation for that particular body. Na? So whatever is the velocity at that particular instant, that is the initial velocity. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And in due course of time, it has reached some final velocity v. In due course of time, it has reached some final velocity v. Okay. For that, it took around 3 seconds. For that, it took around 3 seconds. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So just mark the points. This is point O. This is point A. This is point B. Sorry, this is point C.
So after I just and draw this down.
1 minute. One minute. Important 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow, why didn't you? I mean, yesterday, today, why didn't you come down? Power cut is.
You had a
came
power
down.
cut here.
Tomorrow will you come?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
So
What
1
have
second,
you
sir, I'm in
written
the
as
last
O?
step.
Pardon?
What have you written as O on the bottom?
Zero, da.
This is O point O.
Oda. It's O.
It's zero.
No, it's O.
Point O. I'm telling you, why not listening here? This is point O. Zero, it is representing the zero mark of the coordinate, but that is point O that I have marked there.
What are you listening to?
Now, who do I know, sir?
Why?
Now see here.
Sir mentioned
Now
it
see
is
here.
O.
Huh? Yeah, it is O.
Nothing.
Now see here. I'll be starting with the first thing. We'll be using some properties of the velocity time graph. Acceleration.
So
How
what
can you
is
find
the
the
T,
acceleration?
sir? What is the T? What is the T?
It's
is
a
this
point.
point. This point is D.
Sir, not D, sir. E.
No. It's also
The
a
point in the graph, Ra.
It's just a point.
This is
Ask
meeting
after
here.
you
Okay,
answer.
wherever is this meeting, that is E, and this is point D. Right?
Okay, sir.
So
The point D
acceleration.
is also the time, sir.
Yeah, kind of time representation of time. So acceleration can be
Is
found
that
out using
point
the
A
slope.
or acceleration, sir?
Pardon?
Point A, sir.
It's
Is it
point
point
A,
A or
it's
is it
point A.
acceleration?
That's point
Can you
A.
be so? How can you ask so silly
Okay.
questions?
Point A.
Slope of line will give me what? Acceleration,
Acceleration.
Yes.
right? And how can
Yes,
we find the
sir.
slope? Slope is tan theta. What is the theta here? This is the theta here.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And for this theta, tan theta is what? Perpendicular upon base. This is
Yes, sir.
perpendicular.
By P.
and this is my
Yes.
base.
Yes, sir.
P divided
Right.
by P.
So
Yes,
can I
sir.
write acceleration as
P by
Like,
B. B2 minus V1 by P2 minus
PE PE upon OD? Agree everyone? Or let me write it first. AE. PE upon AE.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I was confused. OD.
Sir, how is it
Can I
B
write
into E, sir? How is it B into
It's
E?
not B into E, Adi. Line B.
B.
line segment which I'm representing.
Okay,
line
okay,
segment.
sorry. Okay, sorry.
Okay, so B can be like written in the form of BD minus ED. Any doubt there?
No, sir.
And AE I'm writing OD because A is just below that and it's kind of rectangle, so opposite faces
Sir,
are equal.
PD minus
Agree?
ED is just B, right, sir?
That's what I've written here. Why I've written it here? Because BD is representing V and ED is representing U. See there.
Oh.
This whole
Yes, sir.
length BD is representing V and this small length ED is representing AO. That is same as U. And OD is the time taken, that is T. So can I write acceleration as V minus U upon T?
Yes, sir.
Can I write A into T is V minus U?
Yes, sir.
Or the
V
same
is
thing I
equal
can write
to
as
U
V is
plus
equals to
A.
U plus A.
Yes.
This is the derivation for this
That
first
is
equation
true.
of motion.
So, one
Got it?
second, sir.
Write it down.
Yes, sir.
D.
Sir, you are teaching it very good, sir. In school, I didn't understand a single thing.
Everyone
Yes, sir.
understood this one?
Kongwell. Sir, in school, Kongwell was arguing with the physics teacher.
For this.
Even I was, but I didn't have the guts to speak back. Sir. Some Kongwell.
I know.
Kongwell
And I
did
got
have
Why
scolded.
was you?
Yeah, you did.
What happened?
So this guy, like, I think he had a fight with the
The school is not like learning, sir. School is not like learning room. Don't let
School
you
is
ask
not like
doubts.
learning.
What do you expect?
They don't
from this
let you
30
ask
people are
doubts.
It's because there are 32 students along with us, Kongwell.
What have you
Yes, sir,
written?
finished, sir.
Sir, you have marked 2 times O. Have you marked
Where?
O 2 times? Like
This is
one
D.
at the
This is D,
bottom
not
of
O.
the-
This is D.
No,
Give me 1 second, sir.
Where you can see 2 times O.
It's B, da.
below you. You have written O. Like at the bottom. At the right corner.
So what?
Sorry, at the left.
Here is one
bottom
O. Here is one O.
And what about this one? Between the perpendicular B and that U line.
This one.
Theta.
Yeah,
one.
that,
This one you're
Oh,
talking
yeah,
about.
That angle, right? That angle things are right.
that angle.
You're talking about
Oh,
that angle. That is theta. Theta like this. Theta.
Yes.
It's the,
That is the
so can you just
representation of an
explain
angle.
theta, sir?
Representation
what
of an
theta is,
angle.
there is-
Variable for angle.
Oh, okay, sir.
Did everyone till here?
Sir,
Seconds.
Sir,
it's a variable for angle, right?
so V is
Yeah, that
equal
is
to
like-
U plus
as we use
80. V
For
is
linear
equal
equations,
to,
we use the x, y, z. So theta is a kind of variable for angle. This representation of angle.
V is equal to U plus 80, right?
Hmm.
Yep.
Okay, that looks
That
like
is true.
V plus 80.
What did we do in school?
We had a big fight.
Oh my god,
You didn't have sort of
it
fight.
is so dumb, da. They wrote A is equal to change in velocity by time taken, B minus U by
Sir, we did, sir. We wasted an entire period. Why this is not coming, sir? Mithran, like another friend of our, Kongwell, Nitish, and all other classmates were confused why this is coming, sir. Like they didn't understand a single bit.
There's a point of doubt.
Sir, we asked the doubt, sir. She said that.
You know, sir,
we
like
learned in higher
everyone,
classes.
everyone asked valid doubts, and the teacher was answering correctly, but she was answering the right answers to the wrong questions. Like they get
Shankar
me.
got lucky, sir. That's it. So you can go to the next page.
And everyone,
Yes, sir.
Congo written, Arun written.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
S
shall we
is-
move on to the
S-
next page?
S is equal to UT.
Yes, sir.
Is what my
You have to draw this diagram again. This graph you have to draw again. I'm just copying it out using my
Yeah,
superpower.
no. I didn't know you could do this in PowerPoint, sir.
So
Only if we can
now we
do
have to,
Control V and Control C in real life.
That's what he did,
No, in real life, like while writing.
so dumb. Okay, sir, you can continue. Sir.
okay. So now we have to prove the second equation of motion. So that is kind of displacement now. So how do we get displacement? Displacement is equals to
T
So,
plus one, right?
velocity
Oh,
by
displacement is equal to V into U.
Velocity by
See,
time.
V into time.
area under the
Velocity
VT
into
graph.
time.
Sorry,
Area under
Wait,
the
what?
VT graph.
Velocity minus
Hey.
time.
sorry. What?
So isn't
Velocity
it
equals to
velocity
area under the
into
VT
time,
graph.
sir?
Velocity time graph, Radi.
Oh,
I'm
okay,
considering
okay.
the velocity time graph. In velocity time graph, you have to find the area that will be giving you the displacement, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah,
We have learned
displacement
this.
T.
Area, sir.
So yeah, sir, you taught us T1 minus
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
T2
You taught.
into
Now see
whole
here,
B.
this is the area that you have to find. This is the area that you have to find.
Yes, sir.
This is the area.
Whole area. So instead of the
So
whole
why
area,
should
you
we
can
draw
just
this
find-
again?
Because see, here we are doing a different thing. Now, again, what I mean to say is that for this particular derivation, again, it is a different derivation for the equation, second equation of
So
motion.
why
So
do
you
you have
should
to
draw it
find the
again.
displacement for the whole thing, sir? We can just find for U, B, E, and then we can do the triangle formula, right, sir?
No, see here. What you have to do, you have to find the area of this particular diagram. So this is a kind of trapezium. Okay.
Easier.
So I'm
Yes, sir.
breaking it into two parts.
Triangle,
First is this
triangle
triangle
and the
rectangle.
rectangle.
rectangle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
O,
That's what. Like
A,
first find the triangle and then
Triangle
find the
and then-
rectangle.
That's what I also said. Yes, sir.
He also said.
this length is what? This length is representing my initial velocity.
Yes,
This
sir.
Yes,
length is
sir.
my final velocity minus initial velocity. And
Yes,
this
sir.
length is time, right?
Yes, sir.
But
So, sir, one doubt, sir. So displacement
Yeah,
under
what?
velocity time graph, with displacement equals to area under velocity time graph, but velocity time. Okay, nothing. Sorry.
Got it?
No,
Now
this
see
is
here,
okay.
that will be area of
Yes.
triangle ABE plus area of rectangle
AODE.
ADE or OAED, whatever. Okay. Now see here, so that will be written as half into base is T, or I can write AE.
T
into
by
height is B.
B. T
OA
into B.
into
Okay.
OD. So half into AE. AE is V minus, sorry, A is time now. Sorry.
Is it A plus B? Oh, what is
V
it?
minus U. V minus U. Plus OA is how much? OA is initial velocity into OD is time. So I can write the same thing as V minus U into T upon 2 plus U into T. Right? Now, since V minus U upon T is acceleration, so V minus U can be written as acceleration into time.
So
I
one
can write
second.
the same.
V minus U by T. So, but it is.
Acceleration was change in velocity upon time now.
Yes, sir, but it is V minus U into T by 2, right? How will the T go down?
This I'm not considering. This is different equation and this is different equation.
Okay,
This is
yes.
different and this is different. So I'm considering the previous one. Change in velocity upon time is acceleration. So change in velocity can be
Sir.
written as acceleration into time. Now I'm putting, instead of V minus U, I can write acceleration into time, right?
A into T. Yes, sir.
And T by 2 I'm writing it down, plus U into T.
Sir.
I don't understand this after the since part.
signed.
Hey,
Since
since
that's
Pardon,
not
pardon.
signed.
Oh,
Which one did
Hey,
you not understand?
Nitish, he didn't understand after
Sir will
since,
teach. Sir will teach. Wait. So
I'm
after
not
the
a
Which
since
part?
part.
Which part? Which part?
I don't have
After the
patience to
since,
teach
sir.
it.
Till here you understood?
So till that I understood. Sir.
Okay, now acceleration is v minus u by t, you know, from the previous equation we
Sure.
got this. Okay, so what
Wait,
I
Yes,
did,
sir.
what did he say? What did he say? What did he say?
from the previous
Hey,
equation we got this.
You're substituting the
Shut up! I didn't ask you. Wait. Okay.
You asked him, you literally asked
No,
him.
I asked sir.
No.
Please let me explain. Please let me explain. So v minus u upon t is acceleration. Now we just did this derivation here. See this one.
Sir. Yes, sir.
So acceleration into time is what? Change in velocity. V minus u.
Oh, yes.
Now instead of this v minus u, I'm writing acceleration into time here, and then
He
t by
asked
2,
me this.
and then u into t. So,
Sir, he asked me
sorry.
the same doubt in school, sir.
So now s is equals to
How do you?
at square by
like,
2 plus u.
B minus
God.
u by t, like there is no b minus u by t. How are you converting into acceleration?
Here we just did this derivation.
Sir,
Did
yes, sir.
Just did this.
Yes, sir.
Is your understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Then where is the doubt? V
Sir, but
minus u
how
by
are
t
you
is acceleration.
implementing that into this, sir?
It is universally possible if you are considering the acceleration as constant, so we can apply this anywhere. Considering the same graph now, same condition, same situation we are considering.
No, sir, he's asking where does that condition come into this equation?
What I am telling you, see, these three equations are possible everywhere where you have constant acceleration. In any case, when you have constant acceleration, you can apply these three equations.
Sir,
No, sir,
in
I'm
which
saying-
step
no.
is that?
Yeah, like I'm telling that in this equation there is no v minus u by t, right? Then how did you get v minus u by t here? That's what he's asking.
I did not derive that. I used my previous knowledge for this. Did not understand. See, this is something I did not derive here. This I did not derive here. I knew that this is true. So I used it because I can write the displacement in this term also. This is also an equation for displacement. But what I want is that to write the displacement in terms of acceleration. So I have to include acceleration here. Where will I include acceleration here? So instead of this v minus u, I can write acceleration into time. So this is why I put acceleration into time into this equation instead of
substituting the
sir.
value.
Yes, sir. That's
Oh
what
my
he was asking all the time. So I was trying to say this.
But after the
I wanted to say that one word, substitution.
Okay, sir. Now I get it, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, now I get it. Okay.
So now I got my relation in terms of acceleration, initial velocity and time, which is s is equals to ut plus half at square. Understood everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I
Write it
get
down.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
This is the equation I did not understand in school, sir.
Yeah.
Pardon,
We
what's the
couldn't
doubt?
ask.
Any doubt?
We couldn't,
So it's not a doubt, but this is the thing I didn't understand
Okay.
in the school, sir.
Tarun understood?
Finish this
Sir,
in
sir.
one
Sir, I'm-
one
sir.
slide, sir.
Sir, I'm staying in
I
mute
shall
for-
explain once again.
So
No,
I
sir, it's
understand.
clear. It's clear, sir.
Here.
it's clear, sir.
So I'll
Yes,
just
sir.
draw the diagram, sir, once again.
Sir, I'll stay in mute because there's some construction work going on here. Maybe disturbance from mute.
Sorry, I could not hear you clearly. What did you say, Tarun?
Sir, I'll stay on mute because there is some construction work going on.
Okay, no problem.
Maybe.
This is clear now.
Sir,
This is clear now. Whatever we did now, this is clear now.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, go on.
Sir, how is OA equal to T? U. How is OA equals
The
to
graph, the
U?
graph. O is U,
Sir.
not T. O
See,
is
how is
U.
it like the whole? Yes,
U.
sir. How is it the whole thing? U is
O
only a
is U
point,
now.
right?
yeah,
This
U
is
is a
OA.
point.
OA
OA
line
is a
OA
segment.
line.
is equal to U. U is initial
O is a line
velocity.
segment representing the U.
Okay, sir. Shouldn't
A
it be
is the
O
point,
U?
sir. It's U is not the
Is
point.
U a
A
point?
is the point.
What
So
is
U is
U?
not a point. A is a point.
Yeah,
Yes.
U
That
is,
point
U
is
is
A.
representing this
This
line,
U is the
this length.
Okay, sir.
U is this
Okay,
length.
okay. I thought U was also a point.
U is
showing
also
that,
a point.
Not a
U is
point.
just showing
it's
this.
not.
Yeah,
U
U
is showing
sorry,
this.
not
it's
a
not a
point.
point. Sorry,
Please listen here.
sorry.
Uncle, please
Listen
don't
here.
explain.
U is
That's why I
U
asked
is
not-
like U is the representation of the initial velocity here in this case. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So how do you represent anything on graph? You take the point, you take the magnitude, and then you represent that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Finished, sir.
So 1 second, sir.
You wanna write it down?
How many pages have you wrote, guys?
This is my new book. I finished my old book.
Oh,
Okay, A4 sheet probably.
I know that. I wrote in
Folded it
100
into a
pages.
booklet.
I wrote in 120 pages Shishya notebook.
I took 15 pages. Is it the small size book?
The long one. I got an extra one.
How did you finish 120 pages long size in 2 days? I
Not
only
2
did
days.
15
The classes
pages,
were
I
happening
wrote
for
a
1 month.
I know, like 15 pages only I took. I have written everything so.
Hey, unlike you, I watch every class twice. Dear.
Hey, oh well, look at this guy now.
That's stupidity, yeah. Why would you
Who
watch
cares?
the same class two
mark-
times?
I watched same class 2 times. I mark all the important points.
That's why you're 2 times number.
What? How does that
So you
make
can
sense,
continue.
dear?
So I think everyone finished, right?
Sir,
Yes,
done.
sir.
Done. Everyone done?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
and the last step. I can do it.
You can do it.
Okay. Write it down fast.
How is it wrong to watch every video twice, sir? Every learning room video.
Not
twice?
wrong to watch every video twice, guys. Just you have to implement in the exam now.
No, it
Tomorrow
doesn't work
watching
for
videos
me.
is not
Understand what
good.
you
Guys.
asked. Could not understand what you're asking.
It's
Sir,
not wrong,
the
sir.
saying-
Yeah.
So they're saying it's wrong to watch every learning room video twice.
We never
sir.
said
I'm not
that.
saying it's wrong. It's just
You're
so
saying
stupid
it's
to
wrong
do
that you
that.
watch every video twice and not do it in the exam.
It's just a precaution, so I just do it to mark all the points.
Okay, keep doing it.
What marks you're getting in the exams?
I don't get it, sir. I work hard.
You must not be practicing.
Only in your dreams. Okay.
Sir, you
Start
continue,
practicing
sir.
it.
Everyone finished.
Done, everyone?
Sir.
Okay.
I don't know
Now
why I'm
see,
still
for the
being
third
friends
one,
with you.
for the third part,
Yes,
for the
sir.
third part, what you have to do for the third
B square.
derivation, S is equals to ut plus half at square. And we have our
Yes, sir.
equation v square is equals to u square plus 2as. You can see here
Yes.
that the equation does not contain the time, right?
Yes, sir. So we can do v
Yes.
square is equal to u square plus 2a, yes, 2a ut plus 1 by 2 at
See, yes, see,
square.
Yes.
We know that since we know that v minus u by t is equals to acceleration. So can I write v minus u upon acceleration as time? Agree, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
What you do, you substitute this everywhere. Instead of time, you write this in this equation and then solve. Tell me whether you are getting this or not.
Yes, sir.
The third
Instead
one.
of time and instead of
Yeah,
t
third
square
one I
here, you write this one and then put it there.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Understood?
in school, what our teacher did was she taught the first one, then she taught the third one, and then she taught the second one.
Yes, sir.
That
Sir,
they
we
see there are
forgot
many
the second
ways.
one, sir. I mean, second one, sir. Yeah. We had
No,
to
no, no.
remind us
She
the
said
third
that. No. She said that you'll understand the second one only after you do the third one.
There are many
Yes,
ways.
sir.
one.
I don't know.
Physics in Ohio.
I did it without doing this third one, isn't it?
Yes, sir. And it's
I
even
don't
better
know.
I
on
did
this
it
mic.
without the third one.
So third one, she did in 2 lines, sir, actually.
Yeah.
She's
Yes,
so
sir.
smart.
She did it with the
So
first
now,
one.
I mean, sir. Okay, stop,
Try to
stop.
do this.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
one
I'm
second,
doing
I'll
it,
do
sir. 1 second.
Yes, sir. We can do it, sir.
We can do it.
Sir, you wrote third one. Okay, now.
Think before you talk.
Hey, shut up there.
What? Yes, sir. I replaced all these.
Do it and then tell.
Oh,
Do it before you talk.
You have to expand it. You have to expand it.
found it? Okay. So if I take u in ut, if I put t as b minus u by t in a no b minus
Yes,
u
u by t.
okay
Yeah.
in a bracket. When I multiply the u with b minus u by t, I have to multiply everything, right? Like vu minus u square by
Yeah.
u,
You have to
au,
solve
like
it.
that, right, sir?
Solve it.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, you have to solve everything there. That's what I'm
Okay.
asking. Then only you'll get this. Tell me
But
whether
should
you're
we
getting this or
substitute?
I'll have to do
Sir,
this.
should we substitute A also?
You just have to substitute t. A is there in this
Oh,
equation.
okay.
So we don't
Oh,
have
I
to
know what you're asking, Sankar. That will be very long.
I'll show you one more way to solve the same question.
So,
There
sir,
are
1
two, three
second, sir.
ways.
I expanded
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
First, sir, first we'll finish this, sir. First we'll finish this.
Take your time.
Sir, I substituted it, sir.
This equation.
Substituting. I almost finished doing the entire thing.
What do you mean the entire thing? What?
Finding how v square is equal to u square plus 2a. Yes.
You got this equation?
Yes, one second.
Shall I do it?
Just a second, sir.
No, sir, I can't do it.
Okay, I'll do this. See everyone.
And I don't get
So-
this, sir.
S is equals to u into v minus u upon a plus half into a into v minus u upon a whole square. Right?
Yes, sir.
Will be
I did that.
u
I got that.
minus u square upon a.
So was that a v, sir? Was that a v? Or u? U into v.
See, I'm writing v like this. I'm writing
No.
v like this.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Half into a into v square plus u square plus minus 2 into v into u, right, divided by a square. They say a will get cancelled. It will be u into v
Oh, wait, I didn't do that.
minus
yeah,
u
wait, I
square
did that.
by a plus v square plus u square minus 2v into u divided by 2a. So in order to take the LCM, I'll have to multiply 2 in the first part. That will be like this. Twice of 2 by 2 uv minus u square. U square divided by a plus v square plus u square minus 2v.
So why 2 by 2?
And sir,
I took the LCM. In order to take the LCM,
Oh,
I
okay.
multiplied the same number in the numerator and denominator.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
Now see here. So it will be
2u
2u
minus 2u
minus 2u
so how do
square
you get? Okay,
by
that's
2a.
u square
Sir.
minus 2v u. Yeah.
okay. Nothing.
This gets cancelled. Okay.
Sir.
Now we have v square and 2 minus 2u square plus u square. So it will be minus u square by 2a, and that has to be equated with s. V square
Yes, sir.
minus u square is equal to 2as. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Write it down.
Yeah,
We don't have any doubt here. Any doubt anywhere?
1 second.
Oh, sir.
Sir, just tell me like the 2 by 2. How did you take?
See, this was having 2a as the denominator. I needed to have the same here to add them. So I took the LCM. So 2 was missing.
Unlike fraction,
I
that.
multiplied with 2 in the denominator and the 2 in the numerator. You just write it.
Okay.
Taking LCM, you can write it like taking LCM.
Sir, no, wait.
Now write this down. Tarun, understood?
Yes, sir. Just writing.
Write this.
So it takes some time to register after I done the entire thing wrong.
I register everything, sir. It's in my bank.
It's in your what?
Fingertips.
So what happened to
Never.
the minus 2u square in the when you substituted it? Sir?
Finish
Minus
it in
2u
a-
square
Where? Here.
in the like
So
the
when you
right-hand
multiply this numerator 2, when you multiply this numerator 2, you'll get minus 2u square from here.
Yes, sir. Like, but where did it go in the next step, sir?
Minus 2u square plus u square. So this will be minus u square.
Sir, I hate V and U, sir. They look the same.
Yes, sir. They look the same.
I told you now
Wait,
I'm
wait.
writing v like this. I'm
Not
writing v
Yes.
like this.
It's how I'm identifying.
Also do the same thing. I'm not doing because my handwriting is.
Sir, I have bad network, so it looks even more worse.
Tarun having bad
Pardon,
handwriting or what?
No, Tarun having bad network.
That's common.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, but Kongwell's handwriting is better than Tarun's.
Yes, I write so.
No, Kongwell's
And yeah, I'm in your side,
small,
Kongwell.
small, that tiny words. No. That guys, cursive writing.
It isn't smaller.
It is not smaller.
No.
That's why Tarun's
No, it
Yours-
is not. It's
yours
not
is
smaller
big.
than your.
looks is way better.
No, you know what I'm gonna say next. No,
Okay,
smaller than
I
your.
understand what you're saying.
Cut it then.
Kongwell, you get it. Ada.
No.
Cut it.
Don't try. Yeah, okay, sir.
Stop it, man.
Sir, now I understand everything.
Everyone,
Yes,
So
sir.
once
It's all 1 second, sir. The last.
Yes, sir.
You
last
keep
step.
talking, but don't write anything.
Hey, I don't write in class. Do that.
I didn't talk about you.
Finished.
everyone done?
Yes,
no,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can move to the next slide.
No, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
It's fine, sir. Sankar can do it.
No, sir.
You can do it, sir.
No.
Yeah.
No problem.
Take screenshot.
I'm waiting. I'll show you one more way to solve the same question.
Sir, erase like the first half, sir. I'm pretty sure Sankar
Sir, you can erase the
Sir, erase
first
the
half.
whole thing, sir. Erase the whole thing, sir.
No, I cannot do this.
Sir, where did minus 2u square go, sir?
Sir, you
That's
can erase the
not-
first half,
no.
sir. You can
See,
erase the first half.
Minus
Minus 2u square and plus
2u
u square.
square.
Oh, okay. They become u
I
square.
have the same doubt. I have the same doubt.
Sir, you can erase the first half, sir.
No, sir, erase the whole thing, sir.
Will I raise? I'll change the slide.
Yes, sir.
So, no, sir. I'm in the last part. Sir, your U is just too sharp at the bottom, sir.
Did you say? Your you.
Sir,
See, I told you I'm using v like this.
I can understand, sir. Sankar is just very annoying.
Understand. So you can continue, sir. Yes,
And
sir,
Sankar?
I'm in the last one. So I'm in the last one. I'm in S is equal to.
Stop telling and write.
There's so many yeses equal to that. There's hundreds of them at the start.
Okay, I'm at V square minus U square is equal to.
That also you can't remember, Anna.
So you can.
Done, everyone?
Yes,
sir.
See here. Can I write doing the same thing in a different way? Can I write it as distance traveled?
My time.
Distance traveled is equals to average velocity
Yes, sir.
into time. What is the average velocity?
Displacement is
V
equal to
plus
average
u upon
velocity.
2.
V plus u.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can I write it again using the same thing? V minus u upon t is equals to acceleration. So V minus u upon acceleration is time. So putting it here,
Sir.
S is
V
equals
plus
to
u by 2. You
into
put distance traveled and you put S, sir. How? Displacement, right?
Same
Distance
use it
traveled
from
and
here.
sir, no, like
Yeah.
you put, sir, you
Pardon?
put distance traveled equals average velocity into time. How is distance traveled equals to S? Displacement, right?
Distance and displacement both have S. Yeah.
See. Sometimes what happens now, we interchangeably use these two words, distance and
Distance in a
displacement.
direction.
When we say
Distance
we
mean?
should say displacement. Even on in your books, you'll be getting the same thing. You'll be getting the distance there sometimes. But
Yeah.
what do we need to say is that distance and displacement are considered same when they are on a straight line. So we talk about that thing only. See, we do not know the mind of driver. Driver may go this way in a wavy form, right? He may
Yes,
take the
sir.
largest path, longest path. So we do not know the distance exactly back because that
Yes, sir.
depends
So,
on the
but
mindset of
like,
driver.
should we not use X,
Yeah,
right, sir? Because
we
like
should
it's
use the
meant
word
for.
displacement. I agree to you. We should use the word displacement. But the thing is that when we
Sorry.
use distance, that means that distance and displacement are the same thing, and the body is moving in a straight path. Okay, so that's
Yes,
why
sir.
even in books you'll get the same thing. Okay, so now S
Okay.
is equals to V plus U
Yes.
times V
Into-
minus U divided by 2, and V plus U and V minus U you have studied in your factorization, that is V square minus U square.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
V square is equals to U
Oh,
square
but
plus
this is way
2S.
easier.
Yeah, this is quite easier. You can use this also. Write this down.
Sir, will I get like lose marks in actual school exam if I do these methods?
Pardon.
Ma'am will say you didn't use my method, it's my way or the highway.
I cannot assure you in that. See, these things happen in school. Even in my school, when I was in class 9th and 10th, so these things used to happen. The way the teacher has taught, they want the answer in the same way. I cannot do anything in that thing.
So I'll ask my teacher when I reopen.
You should better ask them whether
It's
you
better.
Hey, that's what.
You'll
Hey,
forget
that's
it.
what.
You'll forget it. by the-
Hey, that's what every teacher says. To follow the textbook precisely.
This is
I
according
cannot
to
do
the
anything
textbook, right,
because
sir?
this is something like dependable on the teacher.
I'll ask my
If the
teacher.
teacher is flexible, he will allow you, and if he is not or she is not, then you are in trouble. You have to follow the same word to word
Sir.
whatever she has written on the board.
Sir,
How
this,
come this method is much easier, sir?
sir, this method does not work if distance is not equal to displacement, right, sir?
Oh, see,
It
I
works.
just
sir.
used the word distance displacement. That doesn't matter. We'll work wherever you'll find this. Calculate the distance or calculate the displacement. Whatever you do, you will use the same formula because you cannot use calculate the exact distance traveled by the object. We can just calculate the displacement everywhere.
It changes upon the situation. Yeah. You have to like.
Yeah. So even if the question is asking you to calculate the distance, you don't have to answer there not possible. You have to use the same formula and you have to calculate there. Okay. Because in the question it means there that this is the object is in a straight line and distance is equal to displacement. Okay.
Done, sir. We can move on.
Yes, sir, we can move on.
And everyone,
No,
Everyone?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'm in the last steps, actually last step.
Hey, do it on your own, that's so easy.
move on to the next page.
So you can, sir.
Sir, we can move to the next page, sir.
Okay. Just one question we'll do today, and the next we'll solve more questions on this extra class that we have on Friday, right?
No.
Wait, this time also we have extra class?
Yeah, you don't know?
I
I
don't
don't
We
know.
know.
have an extra class on Friday.
I think we have maths and physics.
So that's the last day we are having.
Yes, sir, that's the last day.
Yeah,
Yeah, maths and physics.
a body starts from
So we're doing
rest.
problems.
Yeah, just
Yes,
one
we
problem
are solving all the
with an acceleration of 2 meters per second square. Find the distance covered in 2 seconds. Do it, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Just have to find the acceleration.
It's too easy. The answer will be smaller than the question.
So,
Yes, sir.
I got the answer, sir.
I got the answer in the question.
You did say that.
None of you did.
Take individual answers. So if you have solved, please be quiet. It's an easy question. Easiest question, I should say.
Yes, sir. Easy
Yes.
difference. It's like some kind of thing.
Yes, sir. Sir.
What do you mean by that?
Sir, we mean that.
So I'm telling you,
so
so
smart.
smart.
Uncle,
Sir,
why don't you scold your friend?
I'm telling you, smart.
He's not even my friend, sir.
Oh,
I don't like to have these type of friends.
You are the one who asked us to be friends, sir.
I
Okay,
never asked
solve it.
it.
1 more minute.
We're done, sir. We're all done.
Hey,
Yes, sir,
you're
we
like,
are done.
dude, you're like a use and throw. You're like the guy from the first day. Like, I didn't have anyone in the first day of school. That's why I used you.
What? Okay, we'll talk about
Forced
this later.
friendship. Forced friendship, right?
Sankar,
Yeah, this guy's lying,
Sankar
sir.
and Nitish,
They
sir.
wanted to play professional tag and joined us, sir.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave and
Yes,
do not Netish's friend. Sir, I'm gonna join that way.
What did I do? So you can continue.
Dude.
sir.
Friends are
Okay,
guys who
30 more
don't.
seconds, not more than that.
Sir, we're done, sir. We're all done.
Done, sir. Everyone's done.
Okay, done. That's
The
good.
more I
Kongwe?
listen someone, the more I
Sir,
like.
I'm done.
That's how it works.
Kongwe, what did you get as
Yes,
the
sir.
answer?
6.
Sankalp?
I don't know.
You
Answer?
don't know.
Sir,
No,
please,
sir.
I'm not confident. Sir. I'm just doing a small thing.
Nitish, what's your
Nitish,
answer?
tell the answer. Nitish.
I got one. Can you hear me? 1 meter per second.
What is your answer? 1 meter.
Sir, one. Can you not hear me?
Oh my god. Dave. You have to find the distance, yeah.
Oh, you have to find the dis- Okay, I think I can say
It's just like this question is so easy and none of you got it
Tarun,
right.
what's your answer?
I forgot.
Tarun, what's your
Oh,
answer?
that's. So I didn't do it. I tried around. I forgot the answer.
Tarun, can you hear
Tarun
me?
can only create questions, not find answers. He muted. He was unmuted, but he muted now.
Okay. No answers from
Sir,
them, and
right,
Congo
sir.
has got wrong answer.
Sir, I got 4, sir.
What we have been given with. First
Sir,
of all,
sir,
in
sir,
solving
sir, sir,
questions,
sir.
what you have to do,
I got 4, sir.
you got 4.
Yes, sir.
What formula did you use?
No, nothing.
Copying answer is too bad.
So 1 second, sir.
Sir, was it 4? Was it
2
4?
seconds.
Sir, use the Sankalp's instincts formula.
See here. Let me solve it.
Yes.
Everyone listen here. No, see
3
here.
seconds, 1 second. Yesterday you
solve.
waited for that guy or something.
No. I was waiting for everyone. You did not solve by then.
No.
Sir, is it actually 4?
Solve such questions. What you have to do, first you have to write the given part. What is given to you? Okay, so
So the
the thing that is
distance,
given
the
to you is acceleration,
and the time.
and time is given
So
to
I'm
you.
getting V is equal to U plus.
And you need displacement or distance covered. So this is what we don't know. So how many formulas do we have where we have relation between displacement and acceleration and time? So we have only one relation.
Yeah,
S
one,
is equals
sir.
to ut plus half at square.
Yes, sir. V
Because
is
in the
equal
first
to U
equation
plus
v is equals
A.
to u plus at, we don't have displacement, right? So we cannot use this. And the second thing, v square is equals to u square plus 2as. We don't have time here, so we cannot use this. So this is our best formula that we can use it here, right? Next thing,
Sir.
we need initial velocity to solve this. Is it anything given about
So
initial
initial
velocity?
velocity is 0. It starts
Why?
from where? It starts from rest, sir. It's 0.
Exactly. Everyone understood this?
Yes, sir.
Nitish understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay. So since it starts from, yeah, Tarun?
Sir, is it 9, sir?
No. Tarun saying anything?
sir.
Okay, so let us move on. So S is equals to ut plus half at square. Now, initial velocity is 0
Yeah,
because. Pardon?
Sir, is it 9?
No, 9 is not the answer. See here.
1 second, sir.
Sir, give me 1 second. I'm almost done.
Sir, it is 4, sir.
First see here, na. First see here, please.
It is
So
4.
initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 0 because it is starting from rest. U is 0. Starting from rest.
It is 4, sir.
Okay. So 0 into time, that is 2 seconds. Plus
Sir.
half into 2 into 2 square.
2 square.
So this is
Sir,
0.
eight.
Half
The
into
answer
2 into 4. So S is equals
Sir,
to
it's
4
4.
meter is the answer.
Yay, Sankalp, you were right.
Everyone
Sir,
understood?
Sir, Chumma is something, sir. It's not right.
Hey, but
Everyone understood or not?
Sankalp, sir,
So
right.
say me this.
Sir.
Sir, I did 2 plus 2, sir. 2 meters.
Yeah. See, sir, it's not right.
Sir, I asked you did what you did and got the answer, sir.
Sir, we get it.
Understood or not?
Sir, we get it, sir.
Sir, give us one more
So I'm
minute.
going to
I was
create a new. I'm going to create a new.
Next we'll do in the next
formula,
class.
sir. 2
Next
plus
class we'll
2,
solve
4.
more questions. Only questions will be there.
So 1 hour's over that soon.
So, I'm going to start a new formula, sir. Mine is way easier.
But that is not
Okay,
possible
let's
every
see if
time.
you can put in one marks and
See, simple. 2 plus 2, 4. That
that's
is
the
no way.
how it works for everything.
That's no
Okay,
way
done everyone?
person can
Yes, sir. Sankalp's gonna create YouTube channel, Palkat's formulas.
Oh, 2 plus
Okay.
2. Well, you added the acceleration exactly. That's not how it works. So you can go
Shall
to
we end the
the
class
next
here?
one. Give us another question.
Time is up.
Okay then.
Possible.
Thank you,
Second
sir. Bye.
question. Oh, wait, what? Class is over now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm waiting for second question. Okay. Okay, sir.
We'll solve more questions on the extra class. We'll solve more questions.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, Tarun.